Hi, I'm Steve. I'm from the AJS Melbourne branch, and I have in front of me today the AJS Drawing Design Kit, which is exclusive to AJS. This kit does come complete with everything you'd need to get you started on anything you need to draw on a more accurate scale. Key component to this kit is the actual template itself. Comes with all the necessary shapes that you'll need to draw. Comes with baguettes, tapered baguettes, square, rounds, emerald cuts, marquees, pairs, ovals. Also got some shank designs on there as well too, and then some other generic shapes that you could use for your design that you're creating and drawing. Along with that, it also does have all the necessary measuring equipment that you need, which is the digital Vernier. It comes with a 15 centimeter rule. You get a set of German dividers, your 100mm engineer square, and you'll also get the carbide tip scribe.